Hey, I'm gonna sing Cherish Unappreciated. I'm feeling really unappreciated, taking my life for granted, babe. And I don't know how much more I can take from you. You don't do the things you used to do. You don't even say I love you too. And lately, I've been feeling unappreciated. Woke up this morning and saw your face, and you didn't look the same as yesterday. I got the feeling that you can't seem to see where you wanna be. But lately it ain't been the same at all. When you're here, it's like I'm invisible. I still can't seem to see where I went wrong, 'cause I'm feeling really unappreciated. Taking my life for granted, babe. And I don't know how much more I can take from you. You don't do the thing you used to do. Don't even say I love you too. And lately, I've been feeling unappreciated. Maybe your house is not at home. You come in, take a shower, and say I'm wrong. What am I to do when my heart's asleep? When my feet won't move? And today is our anniversary. You haven't even said the words to me. Trying hard to give you another chance. Oh, baby, I'm feeling really unappreciated. My love, and I don't know how much more I can take from you. You told me the things you used to do. I love you too. I've been feeling when I first met you, I thought that you was the most perfect man that I ever seen, and I still don't understand why you treat me like you do. I used to give into your life, but now I see the truth. Oh no, I don't wanna hear it all through. Yeah, I know I'll still be missing you, but it's not worth the pain that I gained from you. You make me feel unappreciated. I'm feeling really unappreciated. Mm, how much more I can take from you? The things you used to do. Say I love you too. I've been feeling unappreciated. Don't love me no more. Hey, oh, I'm really feeling unappreciated. Oh, I'm feeling unappreciated.